And so in the next part, we're going to discuss these pieces over here. We're going to model them and then use them. Like these here, we have two connectors here, the piece that we have over here, and then we have a hanging tool over here, and another ceiling connection piece over here, which will be connected to the roof using some sort of connector. So let's get to the modeling phase. I've already prepared the AutoCAD file for this part, so we can have an easier job and just use it directly. And I've already told you that if you have the AutoCAD file itself, it can help you with the modeling and just make the process easier and just better to manage. So I go to the file option and I select open. Let me see. And then I'm going to browse for the file here. Let me just select this seeding file and delete it. And then we're going to select this other one and open it up. And now you can take a look at the device itself. You can see how it exactly looks. So here you can see its different parts. This part in the middle, the blue one, is the base. So I copy the file and I go to the Revit file in the family section. So I open a new family, and then here I'll look for metric generic model. Let me just find it. There we go. Open it up. So because we've selected that file, let me just go here and change the unit to meter. Open up the project Unix and here select meter. Put this one on 2 decimal places and then OK. Then we go to the Insert tab, and here I'll select the Import CAD file and then open it up. Seems like first I have to delete this file. Then the Insert tab again, Import CAD, select the file and open it up. This time using meter as the unit and black and white color. Right now let me check if it's been loaded properly. It's okay. And then from the Manage tab, I'll select Object Styles. And from the Imported Objects, I'll select this one and delete it. And then this one and delete this one as well. So then we go to the Insert tab and Import CAD file again, and then open it up. So first I'll be making this piece on the bottom. So we go to the extrusion and then pick line. And then I'll go here and click on this line. Then we go here, click on these ones as well, and just draw out the shape. So after that, we go here and then get this one as well. Then we go up here and then down here, click on this one too, and then draw this one as well. And there we go. So I'll just select the ones that I've drawn, and then I'll mirror them using the mirror tool. After that, we have the dimensions. So here I'll put in 0.8 of a millimeter for thickness and then finish it up. And this is what it looks like. So we'll go here and select this one and then go to the edit and let's pull up the plan. And then using the circle tool, we'll be drawing the circles and shapes in the middle. So there's one here and then another one down here. So when I go to the shapes and click on them, it automatically draws the circles. I just have to select the mid part, then SC, and then I'll pull it outwards and it does the drawing itself. So after that one, we have this shape in the middle. So select the line here, and then I'll click on this part, then here, and then here as well. Then finish. Alright, there we go. And after this part, we have the next part, which is, let me see here. Let's open up this plan. So here I'll be drawing out this shape in the middle. So we click on this part and then this one. And then after we've done that, we go to the left view, select this one and pull it down a bit. All right, then lock it. And then for the extrusion end, I'll be typing in -2 millimeters. There we go, because the shapes themselves are actually quite small. And then we go to this part where we have this shape here. So here I'll be making a cut. There we go. And in order to see where the cut actually is, I'll be drawing out this one here, and then this, and then there we go. After that, we go to this plan here in the section 1 plan. Here we go to the create tab, and using void extrusion, I'll pull this up and put this on the front, which is where the reference goes. Then OK. And then here I'll draw this from here to here. And then we have an arc here. And now we have our groove here. So I'll just copy this and paste it down here. There we go. So here, if you have the 2021 version of the file, if you select this part here, it gives you an option to change the degree on the groove that we have here. But in the next part, I'll be talking about the newer version and the options that you have, so that you don't have any issues when you want to use the newer version. All right, and there we go. So for the next part, let's pull up the 3D view here, then select this part, and then using mirror, I'll create it on the other side as well. All right, now after doing that, we have the next part, which is the structure down here. We do have a structure, and that's why I copied this and put it down here, so we can use it later on to create the structure. So now this is our base point, which has been lowered to the exact depth that we have up here. All right, then we go here and then finish this up. And after that, we'll select the void itself and delete it. And then we go to this other side of it, pull this here, cancel here, and then grab this one and connect it to this part. After that, this one goes here. And there we go. We have created our connective device.